Hello friends, welcome to our channel Sukun FM English. We are here to listen story Secret Son-in-law, Shadow King. Today we listen episode number 41. Let's begin the story. Summer had gone to Silver Diamond Club with Prachi and Rohan. All three enjoy a lot there. After enjoying there, when all three comes out, Bhaktawar surrounded Summers on Pranav's behest. But when he saw that Pranav had given him a contract to kill Samar, he got scarred on the Samar's behest. He broke Pranav's legs. After that, Samar left from there and come back to Nipania Palace. There he met Pyle at the gate itself and went to the house with her, and both of them started taking while drinking wine. Summer slowly took a sip of red wine and praising the wine said, Hmm, the wine is very tasty. This is French Lafite red wine, made in 1902, isn't it? While was stunned to hear the name of the wine brand from his mouth. But he did not let his expression show on his face and smiled charmingly and said, How did you know that this is Lafite wine made in 92? The man sitting in front of her was really impressive, telling the manufacturing year and brand of the wine in just one sip. After all, a common person cannot understand the birth year and brand of the wine, let alone its taste. With just one sip, only a wine master can reach this level. Summer smiled softly and described the unique taste of the wine. 92 Lafite wine is one of the most expensive wines. Its taste is mellow and thick. There is a little sweetness in it. Pyle was shocked to hear this and said, "Hmm, I think you lie to me that you are a salesman. With the depth of the knowledge, you can't be a salesman at all. Rather, you are a millionaire." Summer smiled at her and said, Miss Pyle, why do you think so? Pyle replied, It is obvious, because quite simply, a salesman cannot buy 92 Lafite wine, so you are not a salesman. Summer slowly took another sip and said, Oh, miss, Payal, you are completely wrong. I am really just a normal salesman. His face was full of joy. 92 was the most comfortable season in France. The grapes of that year were expensively fragrant and sweet, and the wine produced that year became one of the best wine with a unique taste. 92 Lafite wine, as both known as the Queen of Wines, had a good reputation all over the world. But this kind of wine is extremely rare. Only a handful of people could buy this kind of wine. Each of them had a strong background. Then Payal smiled charmingly and asked in surprise, Are you lying to me? You are really a salesman? There was still a bit of doubt on his handsome face. Summer smiled lightly and said honestly, I never lie to pretty girls. He really didn't lie to Payal, he was just a salesman at Agarwal Industries now. As for drinking 92 wines, it was because he was the king of the Shadow King and he was saved Alain Castel, the owner of the largest wine estate in France, to express his gratitude to the Shadow King. Alain Castel gave him a diamond gold card, which allowed him to enjoy free wine from the manor forever. He drank more 92 wines than the chairman there. Of course, he could not tell Payal that he was the Shadow King, and there's why he drank expensive wines, and that's why he has so much knowledge. Looking at Summer's honest eye, Payal was a little doubtful whether this man was really a salesman. After all, 92 French lattes was extremely rare, and there were many copies of it in the market. To check the taste of the real flight, a person had made to have good connections and background. Despite having a strong background, Pyle still had to use a lot of her connections to get a batch of 92 Lafayette. If it mean in front of her was really a salesman, how did she get to drink it? She was thinking all this when Summer smiled lightly and asked her, Miss Pyle, I am done. I can't drink anymore. But can you give me a bottle of this wine? Saying this, he waited for Pyle's answer. But Pyle refused him and said, No, I cannot give you this bottle because I only had one bottle left, but you drank it all alone. Seeing Summer drinking wine as fast as water, Pyle's face turned sad. It was 92 Lafayette wine, the queen of red wine, the best wine in the world. So she said sadly, This was the last bottle I had, which I had kept for a special occasion, I thought. That's why I took it out today, but you drank it like water and didn't even let me taste it. If I had known earlier, I wouldn't have taken it out. After listening to her, Summer was not able to understand what do you know. But still, he said with some hesitation, Miss Payal, why are you getting so upset? It was just wine. But Payal said softly, You are saying that I am not upset? It was not an ordinary wine. It was 92 Lafayette, understand? Summer felt a little strange seeing Payal's sad face. He explained to Payal, I definitely understand. This is Queen of the Red Wine. Rest assured. If I get a chance, I will give you 10 bottles. Payal's beautiful face was filled with disbelief. She felt that Summer was taking nonsense. So she said with some irritation, You keep dreaming, but you will not be able to buy even a single bottle of this. In her anger, she did not even realize that she had come from you to Tum. When Summer saw that Payal was not ready to understand anything, he thought it best to leave from there. So he stood up and said, Miss Payal, thank you very much for your hospitality. I am leaving now. I am feeling sleepy, so I am going to sleep. Bye. Summer waved his hand and left Payal's villa. Seeing him running like this, Payal also smiled and whispered, What an interesting man. And she also walked towards the bedroom. Summer and Payal were neighbors. He came home very early after reaching home. He found that Kiara had fallen asleep, but she had kept a glass of milk on the table for him. Of course, and the milk was gold medal deluxe milk. Summer smiled, looking at the milk, and said softly, These days, this Kiara has started worrying about me a lot. Muttering this, he picked up the glass of milk and drank it. After drinking the milk, he went to the bedroom and went straight to the washroom and after taking a bath, went to sleep on the bed. Due to dealing with so many people all these days, he was exhausted. So he went into the deep sleep within a few minutes. His sleep was so deep that he didn't woke up till 9 a.m. When he woke up in the morning, looked at the time, he said, Oh, it's 9. I am late for office again today. He quickly got up, washed his face and brushed his teeth, and then he came out of the bedroom. He saw a piece of bread and a cup of soy milk. on the table, which was apparently left from him by Kiara. Summer said, "Well, there is some benefits of getting married." Although Kiara was not in the same room with him, at least she cared for him, kept milk at night and bread and soy milk in the morning. He quickly finished the bread and soy milk, stopped a taxi, and headed towards Agarwal Industries. When Summer reached Agarwal Industries, he saw that there were many roses placed outside the building. The 999 roses were so beautiful and attractive. He then heard some people standing near talking. Wow, young Master Ishan is so romantic. He kept so many roses at the door to send to Sio Kiara. When Summer heard this voice, he shocked. What will do next in the summer? Stay tuned with Sukoon FM English. If you enjoy the story, please like the story, share the story, and comment in the below comment section.